VEVOR 50W Carbon Dioxide Laser Engraving Machine, 4040 CNC Cutter for wood, acrylic and more wrench. Unlock your creative potential with the VEVOR 50W Carbon Dioxide Laser Engraver, the perfect fusion of power, precision, and performance. Featuring a spacious 400 by 400 mm working area, this CNC laser engraving and cutting machine is ideal for artists, small businesses, and DIY makers looking to engrave or cut acrylic, wood, leather, paper, and more. Collision product highlights: checkmark 50W Carbon Dioxide Laser Power, high-speed engraving and deep cutting on non-metallic materials. Checkmark 400 by 400 mm large work area, accommodates medium to large projects with ease. Checkmark Precision CNC Control, delivers clean, accurate lines for both detailed engraving and consistent cuts. Checkmark Compatible with popular software, works with LightBurn, CorelDRAW, AutoCAD, and more. Checkmark User-friendly digital panel, intuitive controls with adjustable power and speed settings. Checkmark Durable industrial design, built with a robust frame and enhanced safety features. Checkmark built-in exhaust system, keeps your workspace clean with effective fume extraction. Bullseye whether you're creating custom signage, engraving acrylic art, or cutting wood pieces for products or gifts, the VEVOR 50W Laser Engraver gives you professional-level capabilities at an affordable price. Package ideal for engraving, wood, acrylic, leather, rubber, cardboard, fabric, paper. Not suitable for metal unless coated or anodized. Pushpin perfect for small businesses, hobbyists, product prototyping, personalized gifts, workshops and studios.